Fine mist mini spray bottles with atomizer pumps for essential oils, travel, perfumes, more. Empty plastic bottles refillable and reusable. Package include 20 PCS Premium Atomizer Spray Bottle Blue. With white cap, not leak, convenient to carry. No chemical pollution leaching into your water, perfume or whatever are stored in it. Small bottle easily fit in bags or backpack. Features. 1. Use for body spray, linen spray, face refresher, wrinkle remover, perfume, mouthwash, etc. The uses are only limited by your creativity and imagination. 2. Compact and lightweight. 3. Not leak, convenient to carry. Top reviews from the United States. Cheaply spray a fine mist. I have an anti-pathogen I use for self-protection. It's best used in a fine mist that I inhale. I use it daily and have remained healthy throughout this year. These little sprays work.